Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to use function called to underscore timestamp using PySpark. So we'll use this function to convert string data type to timestamp data type. So default timestamp format is this one, okay, YY, triple Y, month, date, and hour, minute, second, milliseconds. And if you see syntax to underscore timestamp, and we have to mention column, which column we need to convert, then pattern. Pattern means date format. So like this. Okay, so in this, we'll see three things like if we have date type columns, suppose data type is string, then how to convert to timestamp. Then if your date type data type is date, then how to convert to timestamp. Then third one is how to convert timestamp. If your column is timestamp, but it is data type is string, then how to convert to timestamp. So we'll see these three things in this video. So first I have data set and it has this many columns. And if you see all are date columns, okay. But if you see difference and with the data type, see from start date to year. See few columns having string data type, few are having date. Okay. So first we'll concentrate on string data type date columns. So in this, see this one string. Next last date is string. And next delivery and date is string. And this one pricing is okay. So these four columns, first I'm trying to convert to timestamp. So for that, what I'm doing, first I'm calling functions to underscore date and to underscore timestamp. So here I'm using with column function with to underscore timestamp function. So I am applying on these columns, start date, last date, delivery end date, pricing date. So whatever I shown here, all string data type columns. Okay. So, and I given relevant date formats. Suppose if you see start date, see this is date, month and year. If you see month, it has 3 characters and the year is 2 letters. Okay, 2 digits. So similar way, I give this one date, 3 M's, 2 Y's. So similar way for last date also. Last date, so it also has a similar date format. So for last date also I give date, 3 M's, 2 Y's. And similar way for delivery and date. If you see delivery and date, see what it has, uh, month, date and year. But month and date, it has single digits. So according to that, I given date format, single D, single M, and 4 Ys. So similar way for pricing date also. If you see pricing date, see date and month in 3 characters and year in 2 digits. So according to that, I given format, date format. So now if I run this and if I check data type, see earlier, whatever it has start date, no? Earlier, whatever it has a string data type, now it converted to timestamp. See last date and delivery end date and pricing date. Okay, so first I converted all string type to timestamp type. So now what I'm doing, I am applying one lit function with this particular date and this date has format of this one dd, 3ms and 4ys, and I given column name as to date. So what it does, this lit function for this column, no, to date, entire column, this value it prints for entire uh, column, all the records. But in which format? In timestamp format. If you see here, to date, see this one, it, this value, see 2021, and this March converted to 3 and 02, and since we don't have hours, it printed zeros. Okay, hour, minute, second, milliseconds, all printed 0. So this value will be uniform for entire column. Okay, so next, what we'll do, I took one more example. So like here earlier, I given only date. Now I am giving date with timestamp with time, date with time. Okay, so that relevant day format I given here. Okay, date 3ms 4ys and hour, minute, second. Okay, hour, minute, second. Now I giving two timestamp. Okay, so if you observe this timestamp column, see 2021 March 03 02, and now we have hour, no, hour, minute, second. So 17 30 15. So this value will be for entire column. Okay, so it depends on how we'll pass the value and date format. And second one is how to convert date column which has data type of date to timestamp. If you see here in our input table, see earlier we converted all string types. Still we have date types like end date, if you see here, date, expiration date, and input start date, input end date, delivery start date, and delivery start date. And okay, these are all date type columns. So now I'm converting these date type columns to timestamp. So here I'm using to underscore timestamp, and I mentioned all the columns here, all data type columns, and I given alias. So if I try to run this, see earlier, whatever data type is there, all converted to timestamp. So finally, all our date columns in this particular data set, all are converted to now timestamp data set. And if you see here, representation, all will be timestamp. See, all will be timestamp, and you can check with values also. See, everything is timestamp. And third one is how to convert timestamp, which has data type string to timestamp. Okay, so I took this particular example. If you see here, this one, it looks like a digit, but it don't has any special character. It, okay, special character means separated by these spaces. So if you closely observe 2014 year, 02 month, 28th date. Okay, so and this is a timestamp which is string format. So if you see here, this is big int, integer type, and this particular timestamp is in string format. See whatever we given, same it coming 28th February 2014. Okay, so now how to convert this timestamp string to timestamp. Okay, so what I'm doing for first column, it is big int. So integer type. So for this, what I'm doing, I'm using to underscore date function, and on this date column, and I'm converting to string type. Why I'm converting here? For to underscore date, we can pass data type column of either date type or string type. So integer, it won't allow. So I'm converting to string and I given respective format. See year, 4 wise, month, date. Okay, DD. Similar way for this column, I want to convert to timestamp, to underscore timestamp on this particular time column, and I mention respective format. So month first is the date, and month is 3 characters. So I given 3 M's and year and hour, minute, second, milliseconds. Okay, hour, minute, second, milliseconds. So if I try to run this, since I given with column, no, so it will add 2 more rows. Okay, so my first one is to date. If you compare this and this, see, earlier it is not separated with this one dash. Okay, so now it is separated. Now it is in correct date format and it converted to date type. So integer to date type. So if you see here, this particular column, to timestamp, if you see 28 Feb 2014. So first thing is it converted from string to timestamp and it is in proper timestamp format. So 2014 to 28. Okay, so this is a default timestamp format. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.